Gusto mo maging virtual assistant, gusto mo mag-work from home pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula. The very first thing na kailangan nyo alamin, hindi niche, hindi yung market, hindi tayong target, hindi ganon. Anong kaya mong gawin? Anong kaya mong i-offer na service gamit ang computer at internet? There are 5 services that you can offer: administrative, creative, tech, support, and sales. Mamili ka ng isa doon. Kung wala ka pang kahit isang skill doon, then that should be your first step. Iwasan ninyo yung pag-consume ng napakaraming information online, lalo na kung alam nyo sa sarili ninyo na medyo mabagal kayong mag-absorb. Kasi yun yung magkakos ng confusion. And instead of that being helpful, I feel, ako personally, because of my learning style, na parang mas mahirap. And so, what I do is, I focus on ano nga ba yung kaya kong i-offer na service na nakakasolve ng problems ng mga businesses. And once na alam mo na kung ano yung service na i-offer mo, punta ka dito, panoorin mo to. And then sundan mo step by step, put it into practice, everything that you learn.